Hello guys, today I will be showing you how to fix microphone not working. If you find this video helpful, please do like and subscribe. So step 1, you need to go to your system or settings, and then this time you have to look for privacy. Now scroll down here on the left and then look for microphone. Now you need to turn on microphone access for this device. So if you tap this change right here and you see that this one has been turned off, you have to turn this one on in order for you to simply make sure that the apps you're using have microphone access. Also, you can scroll down here and then try to look for any application that you're using. So if you see that the microphone has been turned off, you need to turn this one on just to make sure again that you're using this microphone to its specific or to this specific application right here. So this is the first step. In case that this method didn't work, try to go to your control panel, click open, and then this time you have to look for sounds. Tap this one. So basically what you're going to do here is you have to make sure that you set your microphone or the microphone as default device. Try to speak. If the green bar moves, your mic is working. Now you can tap this one right here and try to disable and enable again, and then try to see if this one also is working or not. You will see that if you see this green bar moving, that means it's working. If your microphone is not set to default, try to right click and then tap on set as default device. That's how to fix microphone not working. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.